Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. I welcome you all at my channel The Knowledge Adda. Today we have Miss Sweta Bamne. Miss Sweta Bamne has completed her BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Currently she is exploring her career in field of telecommunication. Now today she is going to tell about women empowerment to us. So let's start the video and try to find out to what information she wants to convey us. Okay, guys, let's start the interview. What do you mean by women empowerment?
Okay. Hello everyone. Hello Pradeep sir. Hello viewers. I'm Shweta Bhavne. So women empowerment. Today I would like to share my thoughts on women empowerment. It's to be honored to share my thoughts on important topic of women empowerment. So women empowerment is play a very important role for development of country. So firstly, what do you mean by women empowerment? Women empowerment means create an environment for women where they can take their own decision for their personal benefit as well as for the society. The women empowerment is very important for the bright future of the country. The women need a suitable and clean environment, whether we can take a good decision for their personal as well as for the society as well as for country. So let me tell you some necessity of women empowerment, so it can helpful to understand what is women empowerment. So without women empowerment, the inequality of women cannot be removed from the society. And if women get empowered, so he can she get their rights for their own self. And the women empowerment great impact on global economy, because we know that the near about 50% of population in women in our country. If uh, if we will provide the education to them, so the 50% employee we get to work. So because of that, the global economy will be increased. And because of the woman empowerment, the woman from the India, they can able to participate in different sector like media sector, social service sector, and art, science, medical sector, and many more. So this is a necessity of women empowerment.
Okay, Sweta, my second question is that are you satisfied with current position of women in our society?
Yeah, actually, I'm not fully satisfied with the current situation, current scenario of the women in the society, because let's talk about in the cities. When we talk about the city area, so in the cities, the women get their rights like education sector and health and nutrition sector. But when we talk about the rural areas, so still in the rural areas, that are not get their opportunity, the women not get their rights. All the women who are from rural area, they drop from their school and end up their employment and doing some household work. And still, after the woman empowerment, lots of crime happening with the women, like acid attack, domestic violence, early marriages, and means discriminating at workplace, and lots of inequality of gender. So these are the crimes still the women are facing even today. So let's talk about the acid attack. Acid attack, most time sometimes what happen, if some relationship is not working properly, so during that time, even if the woman or a girl refuses to them, so the acid is thrown to her. Let's give some example. If you have seen Lakshmi movies, it's the best example of the acid attack. And let's talk about the dowry system. Especially dowry system means what? The gold, the movable property or cash the bride family gives to the bridegroom or his parents. So dowry system mostly happen in the Bihar and Jharkhand area. So these are, I think this is the situation, current situation in society. That's why I'm not satisfied the current position of the woman.
Okay, what Sweta, just I want to know something from your side. What changes you want to make in society to achieve women empowerment?
Okay. So I want to make change means make changes in society. I must sure that in the women's or girls they get a rights for the education sector, or all the women provide a facilities for the good nutrition and good health. And another point is that all the women get their rights, means they get a freedom for to take their own decision, and women want a freedom to get the outer side from their comfort zone. So I think these are the changes I want to make in our society for the women empowerment. And mostly one thing I would like to add, we celebrate a woman day, even today don't get respect in our society to the women. So I would like to convey the message to all the men, please do the respect to all the women. And we celebrated the women empowerment on 8 March. But according to me, we need to celebrate Women's Day total 365 days. So I think these changes I want to make for the
Okay.
society, women empowerment.
Okay, Sweta, what is your take on the women reservation in every area? Because government is also providing some reservation in politics and some educational department. So what is your comment on this?
So basically, reservation means what? Reservation means we provide a platform to the women to show their skill, to show their talent. So reservation is a platform to encourage the women. By using the reservation, we mostly encouraging the women to prove their self. So basically, the reservation, we want the women in all over the sector, like in corporate world, in rural, in social service, or in mostly in the political areas. Because women want to show their leadership quality by using through the political areas. Mostly in the political area, the main we are watching only the main. So I just want the reservation for the women in the especially for the political area. And not only in the political area, but also women want a reservation in rural areas, like women want safety. So as per my opinion, women get a special treatment, like she want she need to a special bus for their safety. I think it is a big great decision to take for the safety for the women. And women also want the reservation in local trains. The government already provide this reservation to the women. And another is that women want a reservation in like right against for the domestic violence, right against for the dowry system. So in this difficult situation, still they want in these issues, still they want a reservation for that.
Okay, Sweta, this is my last question to you. Why you
Yeah.
think why women empowerment is important for development of any country?
Mostly women empowerment play a very important role for the development of the country. We have a lot of role models like Kiran Bedi, Pratibha Tai Patil, who was the first woman president of our India, and Savitri Bai Phule. Because of her, now we are all the girls are doing education because of only her. And Kalpana Chawla, Mamta Banerjee, Mother Teresa, and lots of example or many more we have. So basically, the women empowerment are mostly helpful to development of country, because I already told you the 50% of population in our country are the women. So if we provide the education of that 50% of women, so we get a 50% of employee to do the work for our country. So it will be helpful to increase our global economy. And another is that we know that our India is an agricultural state country. So because of that, we know that the 50% of women working in agriculture sector. Even illiterate women are also doing the work in agriculture sector. So because of that, the agriculture is one of the best way for the women to show to promote the development of the country. So these are the two examples to helpful to development of a country.
Okay,
So I would
Sweta.
like to convey this
Okay.
message for all the women to raise your voice for your rights. So thank you
Yes.
so much.
Now women are also raising, because we can see many example. Also you have mentioned some example about Kalpana Chawla. Also we can take consideration of some movie. As example, you can take Dangal. We are promoting women empowerment. Mardani 2
Yes.
and Mardani we are promoting. So there are many movie. Mankanika, Padmavati. There are many example also. Okay, Sweta, that was a really nice interview with you, and thank you for attending
Thank
this
you so much.
interview. Thank you for attending this interview. Good luck and just enjoy your day. Thank you.